Today we are working on a Volkswagen with a Model T body conversion on it. This has been in my family a long time, and we're going to see if we can get her going. The wiring is a mess. The coil is missing because I took it for the 8N. But I think we can get it running. I don't know how to tell what year the chassis is or nothing like that. Fuel pump's trash on it. It had some fuel in it once upon a time when I brought it here. Can't tell if there's anything in it now or not. Nope, she beeth empty. Well, there might be a little bit in there. So what I'm going to do today is get the fuel working, see if I can't run it into the carburetor, put a coil on it, jump it, and let's just see if we can get her started. And we will be back. Okay, I got the coil all hooked up. Got a jumper from there, got a hot from right here. Let's see if this thing has spark. I don't know anything about this coil. Let's see. Oh, wasn't that one. Let's spin this one. Oh yeah, good spark. So, we got spark. Guess it's time for fuel. Let's just see if it busts over. This thing sat in California for years and years and years. And we brought it home here to Oklahoma. Well, there's that. Now time for fuel. Oh, I guess I will get me a makeshift fuel can and see if we can't figure out where it ties on. Right there it looks like. And we'll get back at it. Okay. We're gonna give her another go again. What I might do is get some more gas, put it in it. What I did was just try to fill up the bowl like this. That's all I did last time, was filled up the bowl and oh, coil cable came off. Now we're out of fuel. So I might I'd like to get the sucker to run, see if the transmission works. See what I got. So I'll go get more fuel, fill her up, see what happens. Well, let's see if this works. I'm just gonna try to, I just blew more air in. Yeah, it does. I just get so excited, you know. When I get excited, I want to hurry up and get it done, but I know I ought to go ahead and do it longer so we can get it right. Okay. Problem I'm having is I don't have any fuel line. So I don't really want to fill that tank all the way up because I don't want to leave it sit. If I get doing something else, I'll leave it sit and not have time to do anything with it. I know the fuel pump don't work. At least I'm pretty sure the fuel pump don't work. I guess I could yank this off, go around here, try to manipulate this on there. Coil is unplugged. Nothing. So fuel pump is shot, so we won't be able to do that. And I don't know. You guys know what kind of fuel pump that is? Type A, B, or C? I don't even know how to tell. It says a Petersburg KGNEUB. I have no idea how to tell if it's type A, B, or C. Well, let me see if I can't find some fuel line and makeshift tank. Okay, well, I had her cranked up and going. As soon as this battery charges a little bit, I'll do it again. Seems like this side there's a pretty good miss on. There's a little bit of oil leakage right there. It's probably coming from the valve cover. No. Don't know where it's coming from. But we are making progress. It's not going to idle right till we get a carburetor done on it, but we will be at least able to hear it run. I've had to start it with chem tool, get its first start, and then after that it'll let it stop and run. Don't know what the deal is. And there we have it. I think she's out of fuel. But it does run. It's shooting carbon deposits out at me. Don't know if that's in the exhaust or if that's in the fuel. What I'm gonna do one more time, I've disconnected the spring so it'll stay running long enough. And I might just try to back it up so I can get it back in its spot. Oh. So, let's see what happens. Oh, gotta put the fuel line in the fuel. This time it's not. Huh. Okay. Not that one. Here you are. Okay. Darn it. Let's try this again. Oh, that's still forward gear. I don't know which one's reverse on this one. Is it all the way over and up? Maybe. Set our throttle back. This chem tool. Still forward gear. Maybe this e-brake is preventing me from going all the way over. Maybe that's reverse. I don't know. Quick bump of the starter will tell us. Oh, that's still forward. Still forward. Okay. This thing just wants to go forward. Well, I tucked her back in her hole. It runs. There's a bunch of work that needs done to it. Brakes don't work, won't idle, so it needs a carburetor. Fuel pump doesn't work. The wiring is just a mess throughout the whole thing. That's one of the projects like this. It's neat, but I'm in no big hurry for it. This one I'll get back working on before too long. All I got left on it's exhaust, carburetor, and radiator and stuff like that. It won't take too long, but got vacuum hoses to run. But I just don't feel like it today. So we will catch you guys later. I think I will go fill up my dirt bike and take it for a ride. That way it stays pretty fresh. I don't want to leave it sitting like I have in times past. So, until the next one, or next neat thing I pick up, I've got some ideas. You guys will just have to wait.